1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little piggies. Cindy, which little piggy went to market?
This little piggy went to market.
Now, which little piggy stayed home? And this little piggy stayed home. Now, which little piggy had roast beef? This one?
Yes.
And which little piggy had none?
Here.
What do you do if you have none? Do you cry?
Yes.
Yes? None. And which little piggy was a naughty little piggy?
Here.
Oh. Who's a naughty little piggy?
My dad.
Which little piggy are you?
Happy little piggy.
Really? Are you a happy little piggy? Ah, Doobie Doobop. This is a really fun song. Let's sing it together.
Kids English School.
키즈톡톡